At wide receiver, a sophomore, number 13, Eddie Casper. At running back, a senior, number 32, Wayne Wright. And at quarterback, a sophomore, number 16, Tommy Rittenhouse.
Oof. Serbia line. Bo, are you excited for pregame?
I am, but I wish I could lay down first.
True.
That's killing me.
That's so true. Oh my gosh, the other team had a lot of people travel. That's crazy. North Dakota, or wait, yeah, North Dakota State. Catherine, are you so excited for pregame?
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. La 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 la. La 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 la. Riley, are you so excited for pregame? Woo! Who's section of the week? We are! Are you ready for pregame? Yeah. Yes! Are you ready for pregame? Ah! Yes! Boom! That's all we got.
This man was called my tonsil.
Are you ready for pregame? Are you ready for pregame? Yes.
It's game day.
It's game day! It's game day! David!
I saw that.
It's game day! Boom! We're passing it down. We're passing it down. Boom! Are you excited for pregame?
I'm post 20 up, but yeah, I'm super thrilled. I'm so excited.
So good.
Give me a GoPro. Is it on?
It is.
I GoPro.
Hey. Is it red?
Yup.
Then yo. Woo! Oh, Riley. Machine! Red! 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 Red marching machine!
Illinois State Redbird. Please rise and join the Redbird Sign Language Club and the Big Red Marching Machine with the singing of the Illinois State University alma mater.
Glory hast thou, might and power, proud the halls of ISU, deeds that live in song and story, loyal sons and daughters true. So shalt thou in years increasing send thy grads of honest worth forth to bear with zeal unceasing wisdom's torch throughout the earth, forth to bear with zeal unceasing wisdom's torch throughout the earth.
One, two, three, go, go. The Big Red Marching Machine contributes to our country with the playing of The Bride of Illinois, arranged by marching band member David Lukashik. States of America.